Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can check your graphics card on your Windows, and I'm also going to share on how you can update your graphics card driver if you're facing an issue with it or if you're facing an issue with your Windows. So there are two ways on how you can check as to what is your graphics card driver or what is your graphics card. First step is in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar, type here task manager. That will appear under the best match. Then go ahead and click on that. Now maximize this. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on performance. Then here in the performance tab, you will find CPU, memory, disk, and Wi-Fi and the GPU. So this is your graphics card driver. So I have the Intel RU HD graphics card. So this is one way on how you can check as to what is your graphics card driver. Now, second method is in the Windows search bar, type here device manager. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Now, here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapters that's under the disk drives. This is where you can find your graphics card driver. So I have Intel RU HD graphics card driver. Now you might have different graphics card driver like the NVIDIA or any other graphics card driver. So once you have checked on that, you can also update your graphics card driver by right-clicking on it and then select Update Driver. You can update it automatically by clicking on this Search Automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Click on Close. You can also right-click on it, select Update Driver. This time, you can click on Browse My Computer for drivers. You are going to update it manually. Now click on this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then here, you are going to choose what will work for you. So just try on it one by one. So if the first option, click on that, click on next. Now Windows has successfully